Yo, what the deal? This your man Frank Dutch right here. I'm back at y'all with another little something that you just might not know about Pro Tools, man. Let me ask you something. Are you the person that will sit in front of the computer, man, just picking through vocals, man, like taking out all of the breaths and little clicks and pops and all of the blank noises and all of that? Are you that guy? Because I'm that guy. I've spent hours sitting in front of the screen doing that very thing, man, until I came across this little tip right here, man. I'm about to show y'all a little something right quick, man. But before we get into it, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Please, them algorithm gods. You did it? All right, let's get into the video. All right, so you got your session up right here, right? You in the vocals. You about to do your thing, going crazy with the whole editing process. You about to go in here and zoom in. You about to highlight all of this. You about to do all of that. Nah, check this out. Hit Command U. And that brings up strip silence. Strip silence is something that I like to use to get like a good starting point on that whole process. It literally saves hours. All you gotta do is hit Command U. This dialog box will come up. It'll allow you to adjust the parameters for what you need it to be. You know what I'm saying? And once you're done, just hit strip and it'll clear all of that out. Now, another thing that you can do though, say like you're done, this is pretty much how you want it to be. You can still have everything highlighted, hit Command F, and that'll bring up the batch fades. And you can set your points how you need it to be, set it for however length you need it to set for, hit OK, and it'll set fade points at the end of all of those parts to make it sound a little more smoother. You know what I'm saying?
Soul clap, matter of fact, VA is on the map, on track and on wax. We on the scene, we doing our...
And I can go through and man, listen, I'm telling you, bro. So yeah, that's pretty much how you do it, man. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Ring that bell so you can stay up on everything that we doing, man. Get out my room, man.